As Uganda is set to conduct the 2024 National Population and Housing Census from the 9th to the 19th of May 2024 countrywide, leaders of the refugee hosting districts of Adjumani and Namor have raised concerns of UBO's National Population and Housing Census implementation gaps, such as reduction of the number of enumerators and supervisors in zones, lack of adequate materials to count refugees, skipping of counting zones, and lack of training of enumerators in specific zones. This was revealed during the launch of the Say Empowerment and Rights program that attracted key stakeholders into Adjumani District. Anyama Ben, the LC5 chairman, Adjumani District, raised concerns on the implementation gaps of the forthcoming Uganda National Population Census in Adjumani District.
Who is going to count the people of Afar? And the counting is beginning on actually recruitment started today. And last night you reduced the number of enumerators and supervisors. And you are giving only 10 days for this recruitment. How are we going to count these people with a less number of enumerators you have reduced and supervisors? Enumerators in the refugee areas, materials. Materials are supposed to be for over 680 people, but we have brought only material for 320 people. How are we going to train these people? Are you sincerely saying your population? So, if there is a deadline for everything, then let us have it.
Taban Peter Data, the resident district commissioner at Adjumani District, added his voice of concern, stating that 6 villages have not been included in the Uganda National Population Census Roadmap 2024.
In Adjumani, we have 6 villages not included. Enumerators are being reduced from 360 to 290. Today, they will be training in the camps. It is not being done. Supervisors reduced from 56 to 35. So those are some of the things.
Geoffrey Osman Ocheng, the resident district commissioner at Lamore District, stated that the zones with a population of 12,000 refugees have been skipped by UBOs, asking for a solution to the predicament.
In Lamore, there is Zone B, Zone 5B, has been skipped by UBOs. And this zone have got 12,000 population. So if they are not counted, what is the plan of UBOs? Because you are trying to leave these refugees outside the box. And what will we do with Lamore District?
The Minister for Disaster Preparedness and Refugees, Honorable Engineer Hilary Onek, stated that all members of the public, including refugees, will be counted during this 2024 Uganda National Population Census. Honorable Engineer Hilary Onek further stated that if there are any implementation gaps, they will be corrected before the starting of the census.
For census, I think everybody, every human being in Uganda, within that period of census will be counted, whether refugees or whether the host. Because we are looking at demography, the population in the area. As the population will not care. Among the population, there are also visitors, there are also refugees, there are citizens. So all those big populations use our facility, use our health centers, they use our roads. They are there. So therefore, that enables us, if we get a correct figure, we are able to plan for the services. As government, we are able to plan for the road, plan for health services, plan for schools, how many classes because of the population. So everybody must be counted. So our RPC was saying one parish or some was not counted, but I think that one will be correct when the time comes.
The Uganda National Census is conducted every 10 years, with the last one carried out in 2014. The census exercise will use digital technology to collect, process, and disseminate census results, enabling the Uganda Bureau of Statistics to produce accurate and timely demographic, social, and economic statistics. Okumuringa Christine for West Nile Television, Nilecast.